Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you the top tips to use Microsoft PowerPoint more efficiently on Windows. Let's get started. So open up the PowerPoint application, and when PowerPoint opens, don't just start from a blank slide. On the home screen, you can simply tap on Themes and then choose a theme that matches your style. Tap onto it, tap on Create, open it up and start editing right away. This makes your presentation look clean and professional instantly. Also, you can switch your PowerPoint to dark mode. If PowerPoint is too bright or hurting your eyes, you can switch it to dark mode in Windows. To do so, tap on Files, tap on Options, and here under Office Theme, tap on this drop-down, then select Dark Gray. This makes your PowerPoint easier to look at for a long period. After that, tap on OK. And now if you save the presentation as PPT, you can edit it on another computer without PowerPoint. Just use Google Slides. To do so, tap on Files, tap on Save As. Inside here, simply select your folder and then name your file. After that, make sure it is set as PowerPoint presentation type. Now tap on Save. And now Google Slide will open it up, keep everything editable just like in PowerPoint. And that's it. I hope this tips helps you use PowerPoint more efficiently on Windows. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.